Here we have Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI match, 95 PS. The car is in great shape and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, alongside these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. Now, the boot's a good size, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.